Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Zendrop for US delivery options. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To activate Zendrop for US delivery options, start by navigating to the Zendrop website. Log into your existing Zendrop account or create a new one if you haven't already. Once logged in, go to the dashboard where you will find various options for managing your products. Look for the Settings tab in the menu on the left side of the screen. Click on the Settings tab to access your account preferences. In the Settings menu, find and select the Shipping option. Once in the Shipping section, locate the option for US Delivery Options. Click on that option to view the available settings for US shipping. You will see a list of shipping methods applicable for US deliveries. Select the shipping options that best suit your business needs. After making your selections, be sure to save your changes. You may also want to review your product listings to ensure they align with the shipping methods you've chosen. To do this, click on the Products tab on your dashboard. Select an individual product to edit its details, including any shipping information. Ensure that each product is set to use the newly activated US delivery options. Once you've verified and updated all necessary products, return to the main settings page. Take a moment to review all changes carefully before finalizing. Once satisfied, you can navigate back to the dashboard. Your Zendrop account is now set up for US delivery options. You can start taking orders featuring US shipping right away. Remember to monitor your shipping settings periodically to ensure everything runs smoothly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.